Hey guys, Annabelle, family lawyer here, with family law musings, I guess you would kind of call it. Just some thoughts I woke up with today, and I've been on a bit of a video hiatus because I've been having some vocal issues. You can probably hear it even in my voice now. I've had vocal nodules, which are basically like calluses on your vocal cords if you talk too much, too loud, or too often or whatever. And obviously my job, I do that all the time. So I've been working on it. And so I was going to do a family law 101 about answers in lawsuits and filing counter petitions. But it was just not happening. Like every time I would start, the phone would ring. One video, like I'd just eaten a granola bar, so I had something in my teeth. I'd done the whole thing, whatever. Wasn't meant to be today. And I think that's because somebody is needing to hear this thought. With July 4th just around the corner, I always try to take a little bit of time to reflect on freedom and what that means. Obviously, like super grateful for political freedom and all the freedoms we enjoy in our country. And that's really what July 4th is about. But I think you can also use it as a time to sort of do your own little independence assessment and really consider for yourself how free and how independent you feel in your own life, and particularly in the context of a marriage. Because I think so often women, we stop asking that question, or like the idea of being free seems like a faraway dream, like something that kids feel, right? With kids and work and dinner and cleaning the house and husbands and all of that stuff. The farthest thing sometimes we feel is free. Heavy, exhausted, maybe trapped. Maybe that's more like it. But I'm here today to tell you it doesn't have to be that way. And look, I'm not trying to say divorce is the answer. I'm not trying to glorify divorce, right? I mean, I'm grateful for it because I think it changes a lot of people's lives and helps them get out of, and their kids out of, some really not good situations. But what I really strongly believe in my job and just as a person is people, their right to be free. And that doesn't mean like shirking your responsibilities. It doesn't mean not taking care of the business you have to, or being selfish and like abandoning a marriage because you want to go, party or whatever. This isn't about that. So all you guys who love to make comments of that nature can just skip it. What I'm talking about is just this inner sense of like being free to be who you want to be, because to live the life that you want to live. I was talking to a guy recently who, he wasn't even my client, but was talking about being divorced. And I asked, how you doing? I said, look, you look great and happy. How you doing? And he said, I'm better than I've ever been. I didn't even know what a weight I was carrying around, and it's gone. And I can tell you, I really connected with that because I felt that way too. And sometimes you don't even know like the burden that you're carrying, right? Because you've just carried it for so long. And I'm here to tell you it doesn't have to be that way. You can sort of tread lightly in life, fulfill your responsibilities, but still be free. And if you're in a relationship, in a marriage, where you don't feel that way, or you're not free to feel that way, or you feel like you can't and you're trapped, I encourage you to do your own independence freedom assessment this July 4th and just decide and really believe and take in you deserve better. You deserve a chance at a really great and happy life without like carrying this heavy load. I'm imagining like a backpack, right? Around all the time. And maybe for you, that's a small minor life change, right? Like changing, being free from, some eating habits, being free from a toxic coworker by just like going the other direction or asking to move offices. Or maybe for you, it's being free from an abusive or disrespectful partner and going on to that next phase in your life. So, hey, freedom's available to you, just like it was to me, just like it is to everybody. If you have the courage to take it and to believe that it really is possible for you too.